Good afternoon, everybody. Just jumping on quickly, just nipped home for my lunch, and I'm going to put the ash from last night's fire on my little onions and beetroot plot. See a lot of people just dumping it around the tree bases, dumping it around the veg beds in piles, and it's completely overboard. This is all you need, just a small sprinkling. I don't like to put it directly onto the plants. I like to get it in between. It's great for potassium. And on these wet nights as well, it's actually quite good for keeping the slugs away. With it being so dry, it dries up and stops the slugs from moving around so much during the daytime. It's dead simple, and it's a great way of recycling your fire ashes. I know it needs weeding, don't complain. It's just that time of year, super busy. So all I'm doing is just a really light sprinkling, just down the middles, down the edges. It goes a long way. Small bag, one night's fire, goes a long way. This is going to be more important when I get the veg actually growing. I'm going to start saving some. I'm going to start bagging it up and leaving it, or adding it directly to my compost. Work in progress. Moving tons of soil up onto these beds, it's becoming a bit of a nightmare. This is going to be my tomato bed for the summer. So at the moment I've just put lots of sods on, lots of branches and leaves and garden waste dropped underneath, just straight out the van, straight into the bed. It'll rot down brilliantly. But again, get this ash on. We'll have great potassium from my tomatoes. So, and that's it, just dead light sprinkling. Don't get carried away. Don't leave it in big lumps where it looks a mess. Scatter it out, the rain will wash it in. Be perfect. Or